Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about the latest Halloween nail arts and which is really special ones. In order to watch them all, you have to just take on. Before we move further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click onto the notification bell, so whenever I'll upload a new video, you'll be notified. The spooky spider cobweb nail art and the fire nail art infused with the Halloween touch. This rainbow color cool Halloween nail art, super beautiful. It's cute. Look at this spooky spider and the skeleton skull make over on the nails, and it's the very detailed and the detailings on the short nails, and which is extremely appreciable. So you can even share this video with your friends and families and match your and theirs same nail arts. And look at this polka dot, and look at this cute ghost face make over on the beautiful nails, and this polka dot one which recreates the beautiful Halloween look, and it's simple yet so elegant. Look at the shimmer shiny beautiful Halloween inspired nail arts, and these are basically the gel nails ideas, spooky and really scary nail arts that are ideal for Halloween especially. Look at the spider cobweb and the remaining hands been covered black. Look at this black matte nail with a spider on it, this one big eye with different characters, and look at this one, and this is a cool one which looks pretty. And what about this one? It's the cool Halloween ideas related to Halloween and simply elegant yet so beautiful. Look at this, the detailings and the graveyard and everything is included in just one video, so that you can have most of the beautiful ideas in just quick flashes of eye, and you can catch most of the beautiful stunning ideas as much as you can. And I would also like to introduce to you my Instagram ID, Twitter ID. I'm also on Pinterest and my website. Links to all of them are in the description box below. You guys can follow me there as well and share my videos with your friends and families as much as possible, so even one another and all can enjoy. And look at this beautiful spooky and scary Halloween nail arts. This is the blood dripping one, and again the cobweb, and this the bat and the creepy nights dripping blood dripping nails, and this is the very creepy ones that which you can wear with the different Halloween costumes, and it would go great. It's one of the super best ideas that you can actually wear on Halloween, and different types of Halloween ideas regarding nails, so you can just recreate it. And guys, you also have to tell me in the comment box below that which one did you find the most attractive one, and which of them you would like to recreate. And share these videos as much as possible this Halloween. Scare each and every one of your friends by these kind of things. And that was it for today's video. I'll be up with next. Until then, take care, bye.